funny enough, I was kind of on a show called That's Entertainment, where live every Tuesdays and Saturdays na I'd have to compete dancing or singing. I'd have to do live audition at such a young age. So parang nakaka-relate talaga ako sa mga bagets na nagpa-perform because dito mismo sa GMA, dito ako nagsimula, and talagang it's nostalgic din eh pag makikita mo yung kabataan mo and they're starting exactly the same way as you started. Pero siguro ngayon yung advantage lang kasi mas larger scale na yung audience. It's really cool. It's fun. It's fun to be here. Of course I would turn my chair kasi I mean hindi, of course you should, because if you're taught well by your parents, you should have enough confidence to believe in yourself. I started singing songs when I was 2, 3 years old, and kinarga na ng utak namin, ng magulang namin na, ay, there's potential dito, he knows how to sing. So they encouraged us. So we try to do the same thing to the kids, di ba? Hindi namin nililimita yung kung saan kakayanin. So of course, I will turn a chair kung akong sa ginagawa ko ng bata ako. I have to.
The Voice Kids on GMA Pinoy TV.